टुडे इज संडे और संडे होता है फन डे, बट एज यूजुअल हमारा होता है लर्न डे। जी हाँ दोस्तों, गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज विवेकानंद सिन्हा फ्रॉम फ्यूचर इन हैंड्स। सो फ्रेंड्स, टुडे इज द 20th डे ऑफ दिस 21 डेज चैलेंज। जी हाँ दोस्तों, आज 20 दिन कंप्लीट हो चुका है एंड दिस इज ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ योर लव एंड सपोर्ट। आप लोगों ने इतना प्यार दिया, इतना सपोर्ट किया, तो करना ही था और होना ही था। सो आज हम बात करेंगे काफी इंपॉर्टेंट कंसेप्ट के बारे में, विच इज आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस। जी हाँ दोस्तों, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस ये एक ऐसा वर्ड है जो हर तरफ मतलब एक हॉट टॉपिक बना हुआ है एंड माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस में भी काफी सारे फीचर्स है विच इज एनेबल्ड विद आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस। सो आज मैं आपको बताऊंगा इसी से रिलेटेड एक वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक, आप लोगों के बहुत काम आने वाला है, विच इज कन्वर्टिंग ए वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट इनटू पावर पॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन, पावर पॉइंट स्लाइड्स। वाओ, मतलब ये काफी एक यूजफुल ऑप्शन होगा। सो मोस्ट ऑफ अस क्रिएट ए डॉक्यूमेंट यूजिंग माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड, बट चैलेंजेस तो तब आते हैं जब मैनेजर बोलता है कि इस वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट को पावर पॉइंट में कन्वर्ट कर दीजिए। सो कर तो लेते ही हम लोग माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड से पावर पॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन में कन्वर्ट, बट आपको भी पता है कैसे करते हैं, और मैं भी किसी टाइम में ऐसे ही करता था, विच इज मैनुअली कॉपिंग एंड पेस्टिंग द डेटा। नाउ अगर मैं कॉपी पेस्ट भी करूंगा तो बहुत सारे चीज मिस हो जाएगा, विच इज टेकन केयर विद द हेल्प ऑफ आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस। देखिए, वर्ड इज जस्ट ए डॉक्यूमेंट क्रिएशन एप्लीकेशन, बट जब हम प्रेजेंटेशन को तैयार करते हैं इन पावर पॉइंट, इट्स ऑल अबाउट क्रिएटिविटी, क्योंकि जो दिखता है वही बिकता है। तो आपको वैसे ही बनाना पड़ेगा प्रेजेंटेशन को भी, और उसमें दिमाग लगता है, और दिमाग कभी कभी धोखा दे देता है बिकॉज वो क्रिएटिविटी नहीं आता है माइंड में। हम कॉपी पेस्ट तो कर लेते हैं, बट क्रिएटिविटी इज इंपॉर्टेंट रोल व्हेन वी आर वर्किंग ऑन पावर पॉइंट। सो आज मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि किस तरह से एक अमेजिंग ऑप्शन से, एक आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंट ऑप्शन से वी कैन कन्वर्ट आवर वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट इनटू पावर पॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन विद सिंपल क्लिक्स। सो फ्रेंड्स, आज का जो ट्यूटोरियल है मैंने पिक किया अपने हैकाथॉन सीरीज से। जी हाँ दोस्तों, हैकाथॉन एक मेरा पेड सब्सक्रिप्शन होता है, एक ईयरली सब्सक्रिप्शन होता है, मैंने वहीं से पिक किया और आपके साथ शेयर कर रहा हूँ। चलिए सिस्टम पे चलते हैं और देखते हैं ये मैजिकल ऑप्शन, द आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस दैट कैन कन्वर्ट योर वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट इनटू पावर पॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन। चलिए।
Welcome everybody to another awesome hackathon, and today we are going to cover very interesting and very important topic of this industry, of the current trend, of the current technology, which is artificial intelligence to convert your Word document into stunning PowerPoint presentation. We all work on Word document, be it any type of documentation, personal documentation, official documentation. Now, the challenges is when we convert those documents to PowerPoint, so it take manual task. This is time consuming and challenging process. Today's hackathon will focus majorly into how to work on artificial intelligence that is integrated into the current Word document or current Word application, and using that artificial intelligence to create or convert that Word document into stunning PowerPoint presentation. Now, as in every hackathon, we cover this into 3 different sections. Now, the first one is the concept where we are going to understand what is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, as in one of our earlier hackathon, we have covered the artificial intelligence that is integrated in Excel. Now, let us understand the brief definition of what is artificial intelligence so that you will be able to reconnect to the topics that we are going to cover. Now, artificial intelligence is basically the simulations of human intelligence, processes by machine, especially computer systems, computer application, or expert system, natural language processing, speech recognition, machine vision, everything. Means everything that we do as a human, if that can be integrated into machines like computers, like any hardwares, like any industrial application, industrial components, those components or those machines behave like a human. So the entire process of converting that or transforming that machines into a intelligent system is the process is known as artificial intelligence. Now, artificial intelligence is basically integrated in each and every industry, be it be finance, be it be HR, be it be payroll, be it be any industry, be it be any manufacturing unit. So lots of applications are there nowadays for this artificial intelligence. Here we are going to see how basically artificial intelligence is integrated in Word and PowerPoint. Now, using the techniques that we are going to see, one click conversion from Word to PowerPoint. This is awesome. We'll see how to integrate those themes, or how to integrate dynamic themes, how to integrate stunning themes, how to integrate awesome themes into that boring Word to PowerPoint conversion. So we are going to see that how this AI is working on the theme integration also, where AI based automatic image selection is there. Now the important part after this concept is basically the systems that we are going to see. This is very important, that what are the systems that we are going to use. The systems is obviously Microsoft account. The first thing that you have to think is of Microsoft account, which is free. Wow. What is Microsoft account? You can create your account in Outlook, or you can create your account in live.com. You can create your account in hotmail.com. And I'm sure that you must have one of these account. These are all free account. As an example, my account is in outlook.com. Now, if you have school or work account, which is popularly known as Office 365, means if you have taken the paid version, then also you can work on this one, because this feature is available in both this free Microsoft account version and the school or work account version, which is popularly known as Microsoft 365 or Office 365. Now, the third thing which we can have is local OneDrive app. As we work on Google, so we have Google Drive app. Similarly, for Microsoft account, OneDrive app is there. Now you will need that app while working or while using this AI features in Word and PowerPoint. Now in the implementation part, we are going to see that how Office Online looks like, how to integrate with OneDrive, all those documents, how to create PowerPoint presentation from Word document with AI. And we will also see how to convert any website content, wow, to PowerPoint presentation, and working on the design option. We'll see how to use different design options into the PowerPoint presentation that we have created using AI. Let us see. I'm going to show you the everything practically. I know that you are really excited to see the practical features that we are going to learn today. Let us see. So what I'll do, I'll open my document first. I'll show you what document. See, as an example, I have taken 2 Word documents, and these are basic documents. This is the document which is known as Introduction to Word. These are some bullet points. These are some numberings, and these are some paragraphs. So this is the first document that we are going to see. And the document is this Android documentation, simple document. This is having a paragraph, some bullet points, something. Now we are going to convert these 2 documents into PowerPoint with the AI features. Now, before that, I wanted to show you how to log in or how to work with that OneDrive and everything else online. Now, as an example, I'll show you in the Edge. So personally, I am using Microsoft Edge for this one. You can use any browser. You can use Microsoft Edge. You can use Chrome. You can use Firefox, anything. Let us see. So what I'll do, I'll just open this one, and in the browser, I'll go for OneDrive login. Simple. Now it will come as OneDrive, Microsoft OneDrive. Let us go with this one. Now this is asking for a login. What I'll do, I'll just click on this one, sign in with your account. So I have already signed in with my personal account. See, I'm not using my Office 365 as of now. To show you, I'm using my personal free account, which is vivekananda.sinha@outlook.com. Now this is my OneDrive, which is available with Microsoft account. Now I'll use this one to store my documents because this is required. And I'm going to use online features first, because AI feature is the online feature, and later on we can download those PowerPoint presentation to work offline. So to convert from Word to PowerPoint, we are taking the online features of this Microsoft account. So this is the first thing that we will need, which is OneDrive. Another thing which we are going to work on is this Word. This is also Word Online. These are free for everybody. So what I'll do, the first step is to open any Word document with this Word Online. And to open it, it's better to keep that one into our OneDrive. So let us click on OneDrive again, sign in. Now I'll keep our files into this one. So there is an option to upload those files. So you can upload those files from your local system. But to save time, I have installed my OneDrive app. This is the same app. You can search for OneDrive local app or OneDrive desktop app. So you'll be getting this app. And this is by default installed after that. Now, this is going to sync with my OneDrive online. I'll go with this one, the folder that I've shown you, which is this one. I'll keep both the files. Control C. Simply I've done Control C, Control V. Now let us move into this OneDrive online. See, both the files are appearing here. Let us start with the excitement and let us see that how this is going to work. I am going for this introduction to Word document. So what I'll do, I'll open this one. So it will automatically open into Word Online. So you do not have to do anything up for that. So this is the Word document that I've shown you. Now the feature that will create this amazing conversion, amazing transformation, which is I'll just go to this file. There is an export option. I'll go to this export. Now this is showing export to Microsoft PowerPoint or export to PowerPoint presentation. And this is the AI enabled feature. Let us see. Click on this one. The moment I click on this one, what happens? Let's see. It will show you some sample design. I can go for see more themes. Now you can select any of the design that you preferred. See more themes. So there are lots of themes that you can work on. So what I'll do, I'll go with any of these. As an example, I'm taking this one. Export. The moment I click on export, it's preparing the presentation for you. See, in a fraction of time, this is going to create you. So open presentation. Now it will open in PowerPoint online. Everything is doing online right now. And now the transformation happens. Let us see what happened. Wow. So this is my presentation. This was the Word document initially. Now this is my first slide. See, Word theme features. These were bullet points. See how magically it happened. This is understanding themes. So based upon the word, the image is also being picked. Understanding themes. Applying a theme. See this one, applying a theme. Importing themes is something logistics type of truck is being used. See, importing. Go to next. Using Microsoft Word spell checker. See, tick mark, spell checker. Printing your Microsoft Word document. See, printer option is there. Wow. Working with pictures. See, camera is there. Working with tabs. So these are the different options that we have seen in that Word document. Working on paragraphs. So these are the paragraphs. See, wow. At any point of time, you will be getting different designer option here. You can click on this. Now, premium design ideas makes your slide shine. So few are the premium one, this one. So for this, you have to go for the paid version, which is Microsoft 365. But still, you can use the free one. Still, you can go for the free one like this. Like this. Now I'll go with this one. It's showing different options. So you can go with any of these options right now. Now I am going to show you with another Word document. Now this is the file, which is Android documentation. Let us click on this one. So this is a document which is showing some paragraphs, some bullet points, and something sentences are there. I'll go with this one, which is file again. I am going with this export option, and this is showing export to PowerPoint presentation. Let us click on this one. Now I can use any of this. See more themes. Let us go with this one, Android documentation. Click on export. Now it will click and it will convert your Word document to PowerPoint presentation. Let us go with this open presentation. See what happens. Now I am going to show this. So this is the first one, Android documentation. At any point of time, you can convert this. Let us suppose I wanted to convert this one to this. So this is my Android documentation. The second slide. This is showing this one. The icon are realistic icon. The icons that is being shown is basically the real estate. So this is the history. This is showing like this. See, features, storage is showing like storage, connectivity, see, connectivity symbol, messaging symbol, multiple language support. So this is something awesome. Now this is the uses. See how this is going to create, and you can convert at any point of time. This is application, this one. So at any point of time, you can create or select any of the designer options which are free to use. See, you will be seeing one or few premium features. See, this is the premium feature. This is the premium one. So you'll not be able to select all those, but no issue. You can get lots of free options also. Now, once you have created this one, you can go to file, you can go to save as, and you can go with download a copy. Now, the moment I click on download a copy, it will download to my local system. Now, with my PowerPoint desktop version, I can open this file. Now, the moment I'll open this file, it will open in my desktop one. Wow. Now, after that, I can do editing on this one. I can change icon, anything. See, these are the icons. I can click and I can change the icon. These are the icons. I can click and I can change the icon. Means after conversion from Word to PowerPoint, I can work in my desktop version also, and it will work like a pro. This feature is majorly used for Office 365, but Microsoft has implemented this feature in the free version also. But there might be situation where you are not getting this one, means your account is not fully activated with these features. In that case, you have to use Office 365, the paid one, the Microsoft 365. Now I am going to show you my paid one. The same features are there in the paid one. So what I'll do, I'll copy this one, this two documents into my paid one, which is this one. Let us Control V. Simple. I can go with this Word Online here. This one, FI's Business Services Private Limited, Word. Let us open this Word. See, this is my paid one. Now I can open this. I can go this OneDrive. Under OneDrive, I'll be able to see this one. So this is Android documentation, and this is Introduction to Word. Let us click on this one. The moment I'll click on Introduction to Word, I'll be getting this one. Now what I can do, I'll be clicking on File, I'll click on Export, and I'm getting this option. I'm getting these two options in 365. Transform to web page. I'll go with this Export to PowerPoint presentation preview. Let us click on this one. I'll be getting themes. Let us click on this one, Introduction to Word. Click on Export. Now it will convert my Word to PowerPoint. Open presentation like this. Now this is opening my this one, Introduction to Word. This is opening my presentation in this one. Now this is what, see, it's showing Vivekananda Sinha at futureenhance.com. This is my work account, Office 365. And there are lots of plenty of features which I can use. And these are all free for me because I have paid for this Office 365. See, there is no any premium one. Everything is premium here, which I can use like this. See, there are tons of features. If you are using Office 365, so you'll be getting tons of options here. This one, this one. See, you will be getting lots of options. So this is the major benefit of using Office 365, where you will be getting premium features. Else you can use your free Microsoft account where you can get all those features. See, the main focus is to convert your Word document into PowerPoint. Simple. This is the focus. And both the versions are going to do this. Now, if you wanted to get some more options, then you can use this paid one. Simple. Now, let us see the last option, which is very, very important, that how to convert any website content into PowerPoint. So what I'll do, I'll go with this again. Let us see, and I'll search for something like this, ways to write emails. Or let us try more one thing, ways to write better emails. Better email. So there are multiple options, multiple websites. So let us go with this one. 10 ways to write better emails. Let us click on this one. What I'll do, I'll open Word document online. So I'll go with new document. Now this is my new Word document, blank document. What I'll do, I'll simply copy the data from here like this. Simple. Control C and Control V like this. Right. Let us remove the unwanted things. So I wanted to remove this one because this is the menu. Great. Now let us use the same option. I'll go with this file, export to PowerPoint presentation. Let us click on this one. And let us see the magic. Let us see. We can go with this some more features. Let us see. Let us search for more themes here. At any point of time, you can change it later on also. See, more themes. So if I'm using the paid version, it will show you more themes like this. So I am going with this one. Let us make it simple right now and go with this one. 10 ways to write better emails. Click on export. Open presentation. So I have converted that website content into presentation. And let us see the magic. See how better it has been converted. Now let us run the slideshow. 10 ways to write better emails. Next slide. Hot jobs on the muse. See how these are converting. Want to make a new year resolution, you can take actually stick to. See this one. Chances you are going to spend over a quarter working, dealing with emails. See, this is showing email symbol. Here are 10 ways to take your emails from medical to major medical. See how icons are being converted. Announce your intention upfront. Announce. See them. This one. Try to include one big idea per email. See. This I think launching a new. See, try to use this one. Be surprising generous. Whenever possible, end with some of the most beautiful words on earth. See the image that it's being populated with the words. And this is the conversion that is created with the AI features. At any point of time, you can go to file, you can go to save as, and you can download a copy and you can work on that with your desktop version. Wow. And this is really awesome. I like this feature and I am going to use this feature in each of my Word document when there is necessary to convert that Word document into PowerPoint presentation. Awesome. So let us close this session and meet you in the next hackathon. Thank you.
So friends, I hope you enjoyed this trick and I'm sure you will implement this trick in your offices. ये tutorial को आप implement करोगे and now you are going to convert all your Word document into PowerPoint presentation with this amazing technique, this amazing artificial intelligence. Now you can download the sample files from the link given in the description box. So friends, इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में हमारे हैकेथॉन सीरीज के सब्सक्रिप्शन का लिंक भी दिया हुआ है. उस पेज पे जाके आप उसके बारे में डिटेल्स देख सकते हैं एंड यू कैन सी कि डे 1 से हमने कौन कौन से हैकेथॉन किया एंड दिस आर रियली अमेजिंग वीडियो. एंड वंस यू टेक द सब्सक्रिप्शन आपके पास सारे एक्सेस आ जाएंगे फ्रॉम डे 1 एंड यू कैन व्यू ऑल द वीडियोस, यू कैन व्यू ऑल द ट्यूटोरियल्स, you can access all the files and everything related to all the hackathons that we have conducted. And once you take the subscription, आपके पास videos का access तो रहेगा ही रहेगा and from next hackathon you can attend that live because वो live होता है, वो YouTube में नहीं होता है. There is a special platform for Future Enhance which is FIH Connect. वहाँ से हम live रहते हैं and you can interact with me directly. आप queries directly पूछ सकते हो. जी हाँ, लिखना भी नहीं है, पूछना है और मैं आपको directly बताऊंगा वहाँ पर आपकी queries को solve करूंगा in that live hackathon. और इससे related अगर कोई भी queries है, कोई भी doubts है, you can leave your comment in the comment section. मैं आपके सारे queries को solve करूंगा before taking the subscription. And friends, please stay connected because कल मैं फिर आऊंगा एक नए tutorial के साथ, एक नए challenges के साथ, एक नए excitement के साथ. So till then, take care, bye and have a great day.